Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on Amazon notifications. This is incredibly useful if you want to stay updated on your orders, get alerts about deals, or receive important account information directly to your email or WhatsApp. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage all your settings and preferences. Now scroll down the page until you locate Communication Preferences, then click on it. This section is where Amazon allows you to control how and when you receive notifications about various activities on your account. It's a central hub for managing all the ways Amazon can reach out to you. Once you're in Communication Preferences, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options such as account and shipping, deals and recommendations, and subscribed updates if you're following any channels. Each of these categories controls different types of notifications, so you can customize exactly what you want to hear about. For instance, let's start by clicking on Account and Shipping. This section covers notifications related to your orders, deliveries, and account security. In every option you'll see there's an edit button right beside it. Go ahead and click it. This will open up the notification settings for that specific category. Make sure to check the box for your preferred method, whether that's email or WhatsApp. Then click Update to save your changes and ensure you start receiving notifications. Feel free to explore these settings further. If there are other notification types you want to turn on, simply click the Edit button next to them and customize as needed. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Deals and Recommendations. This section is perfect if you want to stay informed about special offers, discounts, or product recommendations tailored to your interests. Every setting here has an edit button right beside it. Go ahead and click it to explore the available options and turn on the notifications you want. Again, make sure to check the box for either email or WhatsApp, then click Update to confirm your preferences. If you have multiple categories you'd like to enable notifications for, just repeat these steps for each one. It's straightforward and gives you complete control over how Amazon communicates with you. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Amazon notifications, so you'll never miss important updates about your orders or deals again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.